Just come to see the blackbird, and yeah, it's doing great with those 3 chicks in there, and the nest is on a bit of a tilt now. Big downpour rain last night and yesterday afternoon, but they're snug, just the nest just tilted. Yeah, 3 chicks in there. One little snug down there, doing well. Good stuff. Yeah, just back at the linnet. This is location 1. 5 chicks. Did have a clutch of 5, but they're doing great as well. Yeah. Yeah. Get up here. So there, beauty. I'm just sitting at the white throat location at the minute. It's in location 1. Yeah, all the chicks will be hatched out. Last check, 3 chicks, 2 eggs in there. I've seen a white throat move out. I haven't checked the nesters yet, but I'm back here again as well for the yellowhammer. It is close. It's close here. A couple of days ago, I had one out of a bramble. Searched high and low in it. Nothing. Couldn't believe it. I think it was well, I'll be able to film it shortly, but I think it was taking nesting material out. It's definitely in that vicinity. But that bramble I checked, I think with the grasses underneath, I think it was taking nesting material out of there a couple of days ago. But it's very close. A quick look in. The white throat. 3 very hungry chicks there. I can't see anything other than them 3, of course. They're coming on great. I will get out because it's so windy, right? It's nestled down there, lovely. Great. Put our eggs. Right. Yeah. Top of a hawthorn again. I've got dense bramble to me right. This looks a bit thick. It just looks too thick. There's a touch of gorse around the pot. It's a little hawthorn. Not a clue. Yellowhammer has moved across. Close to my position there now. So I'm warm. Aye. Right underneath them. searching and that watching, and that's all I've got. So the search goes on. I can't make anything of that, to be fair. A little bit of Bramble Gorse mixture in it. That. I wouldn't even go to say that it's a nest in progress, that one. Nah, that's all I've got. The search goes on. Well, I went to the other side of the fence and I have found something. Yeah, it's a blackbird. Just the two in there at the minute. Nice nest. A little small egg as well. Yeah, nice find that. Get out. This is Bramble, what I call Bramble Bank Yellowhammer. She's sitting tight on that nest, beauty. She's got the little handy cam on, I hope you can see it. Too much shakiness. No, she's just nestled in there. But I can pretty much date this now. I would say that first egg went in there on the 7th of July. I found it with 2, and then a few days later that full clutch was confirmed, 3. So it's sitting on 3 eggs, and it's pretty accurate dates. I'll get out here soon, but I'm now on. What's this? Sunday the 16th. What a little cracker. Meal's just come back in the background there as well. Yeah, she's there. Beauty. This was the Yellowhammers that was built and ready to go. I'm calling this one Bramble Fence Yellowhammer. Let's have a look at the coloration of them eggs. Oh, they're beauties. Big tail. Ready markings. Lovely line and lovely nest. And you can see the clutches 3 that it's got now. Yeah, builder's fence. Not built now. This one, Bramble Fence Yellowhammer. Excellent. That Yellowhammer, that's builder's bag. No bird, she's obviously hopped off for a few moments. Yeah. Good stuff. Builder's bag Yellowhammer. There's a nice little blackbird. Go down. Yeah. I don't think that is new. What I've got there. nice holly. Aye, maybe. Possibly gone. I don't think it is new. Nah. Okay. Very quickly, this is the Gorse Yellowhammer. It's doing great. Great position, mate. You see all the gorse swaying back and forth, but this is brilliant. He's brilliant in here. Yeah. That's a Gorse Yellowhammer. I've still got that freshly built low down in the Gorse Yellowhammer. That's in location 3. Which I haven't checked back on because I've come looped round a different way, but this one's doing brilliant. Excellent. In here it's low down Bramble. I think I've got another Yellowhammer building. That is building. I've heard the Yellowhammer here. Just before there, I thought I'd have a look at a few of these brambles. Some of the standalone bramble. And there he is. Building that in there. And if that lays within the next couple of days, what will I think I'll have eight active Yellowhammers, although showy Yellowhammer is about to move on. Man, but yes, that's going in. Great. Just back at showy Yellowhammer, and missed them. Chicks are out, but as you can see there, we had a casualty in there. It's obviously been doing well for a few days, but nah, it hasn't gotten out. That must have been underneath those 3 that were just progressing so rapidly, and they're out. That's unfortunate for that little fella. Yeah, showy Yellowhammer out. Thought I might have just caught them today, but nah, they were. I'm moving on very quick. Those fledglings, right? I'll get out. Just low here. There's a blackbird. Now, how I missed that last week, I do not know, but it's damp. Obviously the whole nest is damp, but rains yesterday. And can't see any evidence of fledging, and there's no debris in this nest. There wasn't quite a bit in that holly, but I think that could well be new, you know. I think that could be new. I'll check it. And I'll call that back in. It's at the base of this big sycamore. A little bit of bramble around the base as well, of course, but it's nestled in there. Good.